Welcome to Mortgages Made Easy. My name's Rick Betancourt, and I want to tell you a little bit about myself first. I've been a mortgage professional for about 12 years. I'm board of director for the National Association of Mortgage Professionals. I'm also the government affairs chairman. I'm a certified military housing specialist. I'm also a certified residential mortgage specialist. So what does all that mean? That means I spend way too much time at work and not enough time at home with my family and my daughter, but that's the nature of the business that we're in. So what I was thinking, I was talking to my wife not too long ago, and I said, it's so frustrating for our consumers when they go to buy a house or refinance that we always hear how stressful and how difficult the process is, and it's a continually series of paperwork requests, and what we're going to do over the next indefinite. I hope everybody subscribes and we get a great following here, and you guys love these videos, and I'll keep doing them as long as the guidelines keep changing. And I can tell you, with the big brother government up there trying to make mortgages harder than what they really need to be, I can assure you that we'll need educational videos for a long period of time. So what my goals are is to really touch upon all the different types of programs that we have out there for mortgages. First-time home buyer programs, mass housing for those that live in Massachusetts. VA, conventional, USDA, FHA, any other type of program that we had, non-portfolio. We get some of those too. Some of those difficult files that won't meet the Fannie Freddie guidelines. Then we're going to go one step further in no particular order, but we're going to talk about, what is the process of getting a mortgage. What do we need to do? What do we need to provide our mortgage professional? We're going to talk about different types of income: hourly, salary, commission, bonus, tips, differential income, self-employed, Schedule A, non-reimbursed employee expenses, alimony, Social Security, VA benefits, in different videos, of course, not all in one shot. I'll drive you guys crazy and you'd probably want to just jump out the window. We'll touch upon some of the more frustrating aspects of mortgages these days, which is asset verification. After our 9/11 event, the Patriot Act was signed into effect, which strengthened our anti-money laundering laws. So that's the Anti-Money Laundering Act, I should say. So that's the reason why it's one of the most frustrating parts of buying a house, is they're continually asking for updated bank statements or copies of checks, deposits, where they come from, source seasoning. It's such a pain, and believe me, you guys, for you consumers out there, it's just as frustrating for me as it is for you to continually have to update you guys and get updated bank statements or deposit checks. We're also going to talk about some tips, some tricks, how to kind of get around some of the Fannie Freddie guidelines, how to prepare yourself, the difference between different conduits for mortgages, depository lenders. We want to stay away from the big bad guys, the big bad five. Those big people out there, Chase, Wells, Citi, GMAC, Ally Bank. You want to go to a local place. You want to stick with your mortgage broker. You want to stick with your mortgage banker like me. We're going to talk about knowing your loan officer. Get to know your loan officer. Know about their team. How good is their processor? What is their process for working together on your file? What about your underwriter? It's okay to ask questions about my processor and my underwriter to find out how experienced they are. It's no big deal. That's fine. That's an educated borrower. The more educated you are about your process or your road of buying a house or refinancing your house, the easier it will be. And just to give you an example before I bolt off of this little video right now, because we're coming up on 4 minutes, and I want to try to make these as short and sweet as possible. If you educate your consumer properly, you talk to them and they understand. And by the way, consumers, it's kind of like Simon Says. When I tell you to do something, unfortunately, you're going to have to do it pretty quickly, because this is a time-sensitive business, okay? So if I tell you we need this, we need that, and nothing else. It's not like, well, gee, Rick, I couldn't get you this. Can we substitute that? No, that's definitely going to no. It'll almost always be a no, but if I ask for an updated pay stub, give me the most recent. Don't give me the one from 3 weeks ago. If I ask for a quarterly statement on your 401k, don't give me the one from 2012. Give me the one that's Q2 or whatever quarter you're in. But if you get if you listen to your mortgage professional and you get all the items to them in a prompt, timely fashion, you can close loans pretty quickly. We just did a VA purchase, start to finish, 100% financing, no money down, including the application and the appraisal and underwrite in 21 days. Just goes to show you can get done quick. So I'll let you guys run for today. I want to thank you guys for very much for watching this video right here. Remember, please subscribe on the bottom of this YouTube video to my channel, Mortgages Made Easy. And as soon as we put up a new video, you'll be notified. Pass this along to your friends, family, co-workers, colleagues, anybody you know looking to buy that wants to learn more. Why don't you come learn from an educated, experienced mortgage professional like myself? I've been doing it a long time, and I really look forward to working with you guys. So once again, thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to talking to you in the near future.